The perfect three-season sleeping bag should integrate advanced design features from winter models while maintaining the low weight and compact nature characteristics for summer sleeping bags. 400 and 600 grams of down offer enough warmth for chilly autumn nights just below freezing, while remaining breathable enough to prevent overheating during warmer summer nights. Their cut is slightly wider than a typical summer sleeping bag to accommodate layering with a lighter sleeping bag or additional clothing when necessary. At the same time, in warmer summer conditions, the sleeping bag should allow for adequate ventilation when unzipped to prevent overheating. This is our PANYAM series, designed for three-season performance. PANYAM sleeping bags are constructed from durable, downproof, and breathable Pertex Quantum 15 denier ripstop fabric, our most trusted material, ensuring long-term reliability. They're filled with 450 grams or 600 grams of 850 fill power, ethically sourced Polish goose down, renowned for its superior loft and durability. Sourced from geese raised in cold climates, Polish down features larger, more resilient clusters that trap more air, providing excellent thermal efficiency. The full-length 5mm YKK zipper allows for ventilation on warmer nights, an important feature for three-season sleeping bags. Features a zipper guard and dual reinforcing tapes to prevent snagging. Additionally, the full-length down-filled baffle minimizes heat loss when temperatures drop below freezing. To enhance thermal efficiency, the PANYAM 450 and 600 utilize trapezoid down chambers design, which are optimized for their respective fill weights. The top and bottom sections are filled independently, maximizing insulation where it is most effective, as down compressed under the sleeper provides limited warmth. The shark fin footbox construction enhances comfort by preventing fabric tension over the toes, while the 3D adjustable hood ensures a secure fit. The bottom edge of the hood is adjusted with elastic cord, while the top features a webbing strap. That design feature allows for intuitive adjustments by touch during the night. The internal mesh pocket provides visibility of stored items and includes a fluorescent zipper puller for easy access at night. 3 external loops on the longer side facilitate drying and storage. For additional versatility, PANYAM sleeping bags can be zippered together with other models using compatible 5mm YKK zippers. The separately adjustable thermal collar, secured with Velcro, further minimizes heat loss, and the Velcro fastener can be folded away to prevent snagging on delicate fabrics. Every PANYAM sleeping bag comes with a large mesh storage bag for home storage and a compact compression sack for efficient packing. Despite their low weight and small pack size, the materials used ensure long-term durability, making them a reliable choice for countless adventures. Cumulus sleeping bags are proudly manufactured in Poland, and we stand by our craftsmanship. That's why we offer the lifetime experience warranty, ensuring our support when something unexpected occurs during your adventures. Regardless of the season, after a long day on the trail, you can rely on your PANYAM sleeping bag to deliver the warmth and comfort you need for a restful night.